IQ test? Bet. Test now. Convert 3 hours into minutes. 3 hours into minutes? That's one. Yeah, that's one. Wait, yeah, that's 180. John is older than Peter, but younger than Sam. Who is the youngest? Okay, so he's older than Peter. John is older than Peter, but younger than Sam. Hold up, I need a pen and paper. Alright. Let's get it down. So, let's put J for John, and S for Sam, P for Peter. Okay. So, John, if it's upward, we go over. John is older than Peter. Okay, older. But younger than Sam. So this means S, J, P. In this order. So Peter's the youngest. Okay, for sure. A clock shows 3:15. What angle? Okay, so a clock. A clock is a circle. Hold up. Can we zoom in, please? Oh, wrong thing. Is it zoomed in? It is definitely not zoomed in. Oh, that is not what I wanted to do. It's not, it doesn't work, whatever. Okay, so here, a circle. 5, 10, 15. Oh, that's 90 degrees. Wait, never mind. That's 45 degrees. What is the next number in this sequence? 16, 2, 20, 28, 38. Wait, negative 16. Okay, so you add what? 18, add 18. So what's 18 plus 38? Chat, can I get some help? What's 38 plus 18? So 8 plus 8 would be... What's the game called? What? What do you mean, what's the game called? This is the IQ test. What do you mean, what's the... What? Okay, so 28... So what's 38 plus 18? It's called Fortnite. It's free. I think you might be on a different timeline. I'm not gonna lie. See, you're back in like 2017. We're in the present right now. I need you to be here. Alright, I'm gonna hard guess. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 56. Bro, you don't know the clip? I know the clip, bro. It's from Nick A30, bro. How do you Of course I know the clip. Complete the sentence. A blank of lions is hunting a pack. A train moving at 800 kilometers crosses a 100-meter long bridge in 10 seconds. What is the length of the train? Yo, do you know the answer to this, Joseph? What the fuck is this shit? This is an IQ test? I feel like I'm still a sophomore, bro. It feels like sophomore year, bro. This feels like 8th grade year. A train moving at 80 kilometers an hour crosses a 100-meter bridge. Long bridge. Does anybody in the chat know the answer? Yeah, chat's no help either way. I'm hard guessing 144. Select the word opposite in meaning to generous. Selfish. right? Yeah. 150. That's divided by 3. 50. Espresso is a type of what? Coffee. My bad. Find the number out. Find the odd number out. 11, 13, 15, 16. Wait, 15, 17, 19? Is it 13? Is it 11? No, it can't be. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. What could this mean? Because they're all odd. We know that. They're all odd answers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. They're all odd numbers. The only one that's odd, find the odd number out. I feel like it's 11. Shouldn't it be 11 because it's not a teen? 19 because it's the only adult? I'm gonna guess 19. What is the odd one out? Carrot, tomato, cucumber, potato. Okay. Yo, Joseph, I need your help on this one. You're a greens guy, you know? So I'm guessing one of these is a vegetable. No, I'm guessing one of these is a fruit. Is a tomato a fruit? Isn't that a thing? That tomatoes are fruit? This one got me stumped. Not facts. Carrot, tomato, cucumber, potato. Hold up. Should I search it up? Because cucumber maybe? Isn't it okay? What's a cucumber? It's a vegetable, right? Or what is it? Because it sounds out of. What do you mean? Because it sounds out of place? I don't think that's how it works, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I think it might be a tomato. Because I'm pretty sure a carrot's a vegetable. A cucumber's a vegetable. Is a potato a vegetable? Let's just set it real quick. Is a potato a vegetable? It is a vegetable, so it has to be a tomato. Tomatoes are fruit, right? What is a tomato? Okay, it's a plant. Fruit or vegetable? It's a fruit. Yeah, it's tomato. Which is the smallest continent? Antarctica, Africa, Australia, Europe. Australia, right? Surely. If a certain language 53146 is coded as FLEUR, what is 62531? Okay, let's connect the dots here. So F is 5, all right? So that's in the middle. So F is 5, so there has to be an F in the middle. The only one with an F in the middle is this one. But R, what is R? R is 6, yes. U is 4, so that can't be right. Am I tripping? Tomato is tomato. Wait, 5. Something wrong. 6. F. F. Hold up, I need to type this out. Okay. So 6 is F. We got that. No, 6 is R. So we got R. And then, what is 2? There is no 2. But what is the rest? Okay, we can figure the rest out. 5 is F. Mm. 5 is F. Okay. What is 3? 3 is L. What is 1? 1 is E. FRFLE. That's what it is right now. RFLE. There's no 4. How could I get 4? U is 4. Any help? Any help, chat? Five, 3. Phone number letter games? What? Never heard of that. Is it like the phone number letters game? What is that? Let me search that up. Phone. Oh. Phone number letters. Oh! I know what you mean. I know. Yeah. I caught your drift. Let me pull that back up. Wrong thing. I don't have the thing. Hold on, let me search up. Phone numbers letters. Like this? This what you mean, right? Yeah, alright. Alright, let's see. So 6 would be, wait, no, but that's wrong. Because 5 doesn't have F. 3 has F. Or is this picture wrong? No, that picture can't be wrong. I think I'm just gonna guess this one. Find the missing number. 3, 9. Okay, so these are multiples of 3. So times 3 times 3. Let's pull up a quick calc. If y'all don't know what that is, that's slang. Calc. It's on the wrong monitor. 27 times 3. Oh. 81. Right? Hold up, we gotta double check it. Times 3. Yep. Choose the word closest in meaning to inevitable. Unavoidable. A hexagon is divided into certain. What do you mean certain? Wouldn't it be unavoidable? I feel like it would be unavoidable though, right? Actually, right, yeah. A hexagon is divided into 6. I was thinking, like it's certain to happen. No, unavoidable, like you can't avoid it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's actually in the description of, like, if you search it up on Google. A hexagon is divided into 6 equal triangles. 2 adjacent triangles are shaded. If the shading rotates 60 degrees clockwise, which triangles will be shaded? What? Okay. Okay. Let's think this through. A hexagon is divided into 6 equal triangles. Yep, this. 2 adjacent triangles are shaded. Okay. Adjacent means right next to each other, right? I'm pretty sure that's what it means. Like they're like next to each other, like this. They go hand in hand. Yeah, all right. So let's say these two right here, this one and this one, are adjacent. If the shading rotates 60 degrees, which triangles will be shaded next? So 60 degrees is going to the right, right? Because you got 0, and then you go 90, and then you go 180, 270, and 360, and 0. So you'd have to go negative to go this way. Okay. So it would be 60 degrees. Hold up. So it would be these two, right? It would be bottom right. It would be right and bottom right if it moves. Because it would be this one and then this one. Which number should replace the question mark? What kind of IQ test is this? What do you mean, which number should replace the question mark? So are they equal weight? I'm guessing it's equal weight. Identify the antonym of optimistic. Pessimistic? Never heard of that word before in my life. I'm not gonna lie. Could it be that? What are we thinking, chat? Could it be pessimistic? Because optimistic means like like you're happy, right? Like you want to do something. You're happy. Something's about to happen that you want to do. I don't know what pessimistic means. Yes, true. But look, if we can narrow it down. Cause look, happy, cheerful, excited. Yeah, hope for the best. Happy, cheerful, excited. These are all like something that you're happy for. And then this one, I have no idea. So I think it's gonna be this one. What is the capital of Australia? I have no idea. I'm just gonna guess Sydney. Select the correct match. April is to month as Jupiter is to. Oh, okay, okay. I understand. I understand this. So April is to month, like the name, the title. April is the name of the month. That's in a year. And then Jupiter is the name of a planet in the solar system. I'm smart as fuck. A pattern wrote a pattern. A pattern rotates clockwise by 45 degrees. In each step, the first figure is a diamond shape. What is the orientation of the diamond after three steps? What the fuck does this mean? A pattern rotates by 45 degrees in each step. The first figure is a diamond shape. What is the orientation? Yo, Ma, do you know what's going? Do you know what this is? I have no idea. I'm just gonna guess 180. Oh, the pattern rotates clockwise by 45 degrees after each steps. The first figure is a diamond shape. What is the orientation of the diamond after three steps? So it's just asking me what's 3 times 45. That's 135. Bro, I'm so smart. I'm about to hit the gotta help my pops tomorrow with some in the morning. Alright, bro. I'll catch you later. Besides, I think this is the last thing I'm gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna do the reacting segment. I might do that tomorrow. Just gonna stick to the IQ test, bro. Have a good night though. See you, birdie. Alright, bro. Come on now. Select the missing step. A sequence alternates between circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle in each step. What comes next after triangle? Circle, square, circle, triangle in each step. What comes next after triangle? Okay, so 4 and 0 and 3 would just be square. I'm just guessing it's square. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada, right? Cause it like shouldn't it be Canada? Cause they got that big like water thing. Yeah, look, we got lake right there, lake right there, lake, 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 lake. Whole bunch of lakes in Canada. I'm gonna move there soon. A sequence of letters was shown JMPQVZ. Which letter was the fourth? A Q? A sequence of letters was shown JMPQVZ. Am I stupid? Which figure should replace the question mark? Okay. So these are they're just getting closer. So then it would just be this one, right? Wait, there's no square. Ooh, almost fell for that. It'd be this one. Which number should replace the question mark? 6 plus 1 minus 4 equals 3. Okay, so I just gotta do this. 4 plus 5, it should be 10, theoretically. I think. 4 plus blank. Okay, 8 minus 7. What do you get? 1. So that's 9. Oh, this is the 9. What number is 25% of 60? Okay, so 60, so just 6. What's 25% of 6? It's not 10. It's not 20. It's 15. Because 15, 30, 45, 60. 4 fingers. What number should replace it? Should replace the question mark. Wait. Did I check that right? 4 plus 3 plus whatever equals 15. So that's 7. What is I'm trying to think. What's 7? What plus 7 equals 15? What plus 7 equals 15? 3. So you add 3, you get 10. 8. So it's 8 for now. So 8 plus blank minus 5. Choose the logical pair. Hand is to glove as foot is to sock. Which word does not belong in the group? Square, triangle, rectangle, cube. Cube. What? IQ certification. I got a IQ score of 100.